done B.ed and done T.ed, etc. My submission is very simple. So your lordships in this judgment have held that B.ed was more appropriate as a qualification.
Diploma.
B.ed diploma, elementary education.
Let's call it diploma and degree.
Yes. So diploma was more appropriate for elementary education. That's what your lordship held, and therefore your lordship got the notification, which made even the people with the...
We upheld the Rajasthan judgment.
Yes.
But
yes.
the West Bengal also a single judge had delivered a similar judgment.
Milord, West Bengal matters were pending for your lordship, Milord, and is subject matter of this judgment.
In West Bengal also the single judge passed a judgment.
Yes.
Following Rajasthan.
Correct, Milord. And civil appeal 5123 to 5124 were the West Bengal appeals.
There is no judgment. What I am saying is, Milord, we are saying that, let's assume, Lord, of course, your lordship judgment has to be followed, that notification has been quashed, but the question is, what should happen to those states,
The merits of the matter. Before you is a lodgement order of the
registrar.
Yes. Because he's a complete third party.
Yes.
He's never been in the High Court, he's never been in the Supreme Court.
Yes.
He comes here and your registrar says, I'm lodging this, the application is not listed.
Yes.
He's arguing that.
And then your lordship, why we have come? We have come because of your lordship judgment in the Rajasthan matter, the West Bengal authorities stopped our recruitment, stopped the process of our recruitment. And that's why we have filed an application, and we filed a miscellaneous application saying that our process began in 2020. Our process, the advertisement was issued in 2020, our recruitments were well underway. Now, almost everything is over, only the select list has to be published. Now, even if all the people who are qualified by this diploma are to be given appointments in preference to us, even then there will be many seats left vacant for the posts which were advertised. We are saying, earlier also the rule was B.ed plus T.ed plus bridge course. If you have to do these three things, then you are qualified. Earlier that was the rule. We are saying that after these diploma people have been absorbed, if there are leftover seats, let them take us, because our process was commenced long before your lordship's judgment. In any case, Lord, even earlier, same qualification people had been recruited and had been working with this thing that, all right, you will do a 6-month bridge course. We will also do the 6-month bridge course. Why, my lord, why penalize us when there was no list of this kind before any court in West Bengal? And when, my lord, we are not at fault, we had applied pursuant to the notification, etc.
You're not at fault. You're not qualified, that's all.
Not qualified. So that's what I'm saying, Lord.
We're not blaming you.
I know. We are saying, Lord, that we are qualified as per the earlier qualification. I know that your lordship has struck down that earlier qualification. We are not only qualified that way. I'm saying, Lord, that let's say that these people are better qualified, the diploma people, for elementary education, for elementary school teaching.
They are only qualified for elementary. The entire other classes are open for you. Even for elementary education, 6, 7, 8 you are qualified. Then you are qualified for secondary, higher secondary, do whatever you want to. This is the only space they have, let them do it.
But the majority of the states are here. Majority of the states are here, and many of these people who applied pursuant to the advertisement of 2020, they would be over age now for any other.
You are saying, what are you focusing on? You are focusing ultimately on employment.
Yes.
The entire focus of the education, no, not on education. Education is there. The entire focus of the Right to Education Act was on quality education. And the quality education is for elementary classes, diploma, and not you. You are not qualified. You have not been trained to teach elementary classes.
So that is
Once we have held that, how can we say that you...
That's why the bridge course. That's why the bridge.
There's nothing like bridge course, and there's all...
The only reason why I'm saying.
Don't even have any bridge course.
For a minute, just give me a minute. As you will, we will not seek any modification of judgment. I want to give a different perspective in 2 minutes by the clock.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Because I am the batch who are applicants in the main matter with Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal, Bihar, and UP, 5 states. Lordship, forget Rajasthan. Incidentally, your Lordship's entire judgment is on Rajasthan. One para 5, mentions that there are ideas pending. My Lord doesn't take up any of the matter, doesn't decide them. The Lordship decides Rajasthan.
But the logic will prevail. Whether it's Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, how does it
I'm
matter?
going to make a suggestion at the end which will solve the problem.
They were all decided.
Now, with my learned friends, allow me to please, instruction will not help. I'm going to make a suggestion. You're not require a modification of concept.
Before your lordship. Only one. There's only
I am the original applicant in that batch.
But you're not
the suggestion. Yes. I don't need to file an application. I will before a lot of there. I'm making a suggestion. The justice, please see the larger perspective. And it will take 2 minutes. Whereas your lordship decided it. Unfortunately, it is our fault. I say it openly. None of us pointed out that your lordships are deciding a matter of Rajasthan where people were threshold excluded. There was nobody in employment. Now, all the other 5 states have over 1 lakh people employed on the basis of B.ed from 2010 onwards. Now, what has happened, your lordships, according to my understanding, I cannot say what your lordships meant or intended because we unfortunately nobody takes it to decide. So it was not there.
Have any of you been thrown out of...
Yeah, that's the point. Today, that's the exact point. I'm going to ask only for one word, prospective overruling. That's all. Allow me.
No.
No will not, my Lord will say no, not you.
You have been... You are working.
Working from 2010, 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh.
He has not filed an application, Miller.
1 minute, sir.
Miller, where is this fact coming from?
These are instructions.
And you file an application.
I will file. That's all right. I will file.
This is an oral application.
This was never an issue before us.
Not the point of in reality, the truth and human mind, when you file an application, go without saying I will file. Give me 2 minutes more since I have a lot of audience through a special bench. If I'll take 2 minutes. I will file. I entirely bow down. I can't just say something orally without taking the responsibility of an affidavit. Look at the real problem, the human problem. According to me, and I say it with also the responsibility, I can't get into your lordship's mind and say what the lordship's intended. Had your lordship been told this basic fact, your lordship would have made a difference between the Rajasthan batch and this batch. All I'm saying is, please apply your law. But don't disturb people who are lax. You file an application.
Just one other thing.
One
more minute. Just
That
one
my learned friends
more
will
minute.
clarify. The notification is of 2018.
Yes.
And this is a central government notification to apply pan-India. Rajasthan High Court strikes it down. My lords do not say, they said subject to the outcome, and thereafter my lords have upheld the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court judgment, writing down the 2018. So now anything that happens apropos to 2018 notification,
People in 2010 working.
Any state were appointing B.ed because prior to 2018, there was no B.ed qualification. So in any case, that appointment was in violation of the law.
still has been
Why should we intervene?
And my lords, what came before my lords is 2018 pan-India central government notification having struck down. Where is the question to say this is a Rajasthan High Court judgment, something was different, or the same notification in Chhattisgarh?
Today, your lordships not
It's a central
without us being heard, your lordship judgment can't be applied to people in employment for 10, 15 years is my short term notice.
That was not an issue before us.
It's not. It's just
But your lordship judgment is applied today, remove me. Today, and fine.
It was not an issue before us. Please don't argue on that.
because I had a totally different angle.
The least before us.
Yes, we will move that.
You're totally. Gopal, this is
File
You're saying nothing.
No, because the application which has been filed by one person, who even if you're not to allow his application fully, he won't get appointed. Okay.
Obviously, there are other people shooting from behind him, which is why you see the third one today. That one application.
Sometimes you are also among them.
Yeah, that's right. but I must tell you, Lordship, that one application has been launched.
Your change of logic changes quickly.
I can't be right to that. Please follow the next pattern. My Lord will follow him even on this side.
Stopper applies to your Lordship, not to us.
I was not. I'm on a totally just 1 minute.
It's not this court which is upheld the B.ed judgments, and we want that. Now the people are trying to challenge our appointment based on the David Sharma judgment.
Final application, let us kindly
No,
defer it today.
it's not allowed.
Please defer it.
The registry has said you can't file such
Let the court say that. We are not going
court
to
has
say
said.
what the judge has to say.
Court has said it. Look, I want something else, Lord. Can I take a minute?
Your Lordship's judgment is rather introspective. Very unjust, not superlative, saying that these are reviews. This kind of
I want
Opportunity.
I'm on a totally different. The ways Dr. Singhvi is asking for liberty to file an application today. If he files an application, he'll tell the registrar you can't lodge it. The court has said all these applications have been lodged for a good reason.
He doesn't want the reality and then he will come out.
What is it?
Arnab Ghosh, this is the only we have.
Only one.
That's what I will find it tomorrow, Maharaj. I will find it tomorrow.
We're disputing.
I'm making one other request, another request. It's on a different point. My Lord's judgment in Devesh Sharma. My Lords, in the process of holding against the notification, have said one thing. Till the Rajasthan High Court held against the notification, held it to be illegal. My Lord said it was not open to the authorities to stop the process. My Lords have said that in their judgment.
If we strike down the notification,
No, that's right. No, but in the meanwhile, till it was held to be banned, please show me the paragraph. Give me the paragraph.
Yes, we remember that.
That's right. Para 36. My Lords have said.
Remember that the High Court had said,
Yes.
since this is a law has to be followed.
Correct.
Till it is set aside.
Exactly. Therefore, that I'm really on that interstice, my Lord. There is a.
The High Court said that you should have called them.
That's right. I vote on.
Not them because that was the qualification.
I vote on.
Whether it's the right qualification or the wrong qualification is for the High Court to decide.
Ultimately, you said. Now I'm on that interstice, my Lord. I'm on that interstice. There is a 1 minute. There is a writ petition which we filed and we mentioned before my Lord Justice Aniruddha Bose's bench, the regular bench. My Lord said mention it when the special bench says. That is WP number, my Lord.
We have said something regarding that in the judgment.
That's para 36. So WP 26 of 2024. That may be placed before the special bench, my Lord, on any other convenient day.
we can't determine that.
No, because when we mentioned it,
You know, now your Lordship's bench, Maharaj.
Okay.
that writ petition, my Lord, may kindly be.
You applied for the.
No, Lord, that since your Lordship has seized of the matter, your Lordship
We are
can.
not insisting over that.
We are not seized with any matter now.
It's a suspect.
There was one application which
Accepted by your Lordship.
I think your Lordship is absolutely correct. You must find something new.
we are saying nothing.
One sentence on the justice.
We are getting away having a cup of coffee and you also do that.
One sentence on justice, Maharaj. Without at least one word liberty to file something, Maharaj. I will look at the justice of it. I don't think say open and please don't allow the judgment to be used. Just say liberty. Just say liberty. My learned friend is liberty opposing liberty. Because he doesn't want the applicant.
That IEA, my friend is acted on court. She says she wants to withdraw with liberty to pursue appropriate procedure. She says that. I think that.
The one you are saying.
We also want liberty.
The law is not straight today.
Not the writ. Her MA.
What is the number?
That one which is before my law. Mr. Naveed.
Sorry,
We will get applications, Lord, to appropriate application.